Today, I am reviewing HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 15.6-inch touchscreen business laptop for 2025 is an impressive device designed for professionals, students, and anyone who needs a dependable laptop for both work and entertainment. At first glance, its sleek natural silver finish and slim profile make it look modern and professional, while the touchscreen adds a layer of convenience that makes navigation intuitive and efficient. This model is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i3-1315U processor, which offers 6 cores and 8 threads with speeds up to 4.5 GHz thanks to Intel Turbo Boost technology. This combination of power and efficiency ensures that everyday tasks such as browsing, office work, video conferencing, and light multitasking run smoothly without lag, while still maintaining low power consumption for better battery life. One of the standout features of this laptop is its 15.6-inch touchscreen display. With HD resolution and an anti-glare coating, it delivers crisp visuals while reducing eye strain during extended usage. The touchscreen functionality allows users to interact directly with the screen, providing a more natural and engaging experience, especially for productivity tasks, presentations, or creative work. Whether it's tapping, swiping, or zooming, this touchscreen adds an intuitive way to navigate through apps and content. While the resolution is not ultra-high definition, it strikes a good balance for everyday business use without consuming excessive battery power. In terms of performance, the HP laptop excels thanks to its generous configuration. With up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, it can handle heavy multitasking effortlessly. This means running multiple applications, browser tabs, and even demanding productivity software at the same time without slowdowns. Complementing the memory is a massive 2TB PCIe SSD that provides fast boot-up times, rapid file access, and plenty of storage space for documents, media files, and software. This combination of large memory and high-speed storage makes this laptop extremely capable for business, academic projects, and even light creative work such as editing documents, spreadsheets, or presentations. Connectivity is another strong point of this laptop. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. This is essential for modern remote work and online collaboration. The laptop also offers a range of ports including HDMI, USB-C, and USB-A ports, along with a headphone/microphone combo jack and a numeric keypad. These ports make it easy to connect external devices, whether it's a monitor, storage device, or peripheral. The numeric keypad is especially useful for those who work extensively with numbers and spreadsheets. Another feature worth highlighting is the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro with Microsoft Copilot AI. This combination not only provides a powerful and secure operating system, but also introduces AI-driven assistance that helps streamline workflows, boosts productivity, and offers quick solutions to everyday computing tasks. Microsoft Copilot integrates seamlessly with Windows, allowing users to get more done with less effort. For business professionals, this means a laptop that not only works hard, but also helps work smarter. Battery life on the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is designed to keep up with a full day of work or study. With efficient power usage and low-consumption hardware, it delivers impressive endurance, letting you work or stream without constantly searching for an outlet. For those constantly on the go, this is a significant advantage. The lightweight design, weighing just around 3.5 pounds, adds to the portability factor, making it easy to carry between meetings, classrooms, or travel destinations. The keyboard experience is solid, with responsive keys and the added convenience of a numeric keypad for faster data entry. Combined with the touchscreen capabilities, anti-glare display, and robust connectivity options, this laptop delivers a versatile and productive experience. Whether you're preparing presentations, managing spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, or simply browsing the internet, it handles tasks with reliability and ease. Overall, the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen business laptop 2025 stands out as a strong choice for those looking for a balance of performance, portability, and advanced features. It is powerful enough for heavy multitasking, has ample storage for files and applications, and offers intuitive touchscreen functionality for a modern computing experience. Its build quality, combined with Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Copilot AI, makes it a practical choice for both business and personal use. This is not just a laptop. It is a dependable business companion that combines performance, convenience, and innovation into one package.